Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is of class 10th for the subject of mathematics, chapter 21, graphical representation of data. Starting on page number 21.1 of your textbook and is being submitted to you on 17th November 2020. The representation of data through diagrams helps us to visualize the whole meaning of a numerical distribution at a single glance. Graphical representation is a way of analyzing numerical data. In this chapter, we shall deal with finding the mode from histogram, the upper quartile, lower quartile, and median from ogive, that is, cumulative frequency curve. Students, you all have done histogram in class 9th and you all are well aware that how to draw a histogram from the given data. Also, in the previous lesson, we have discussed about mode. Let us revise. What is mode? The mode or model value is the most common number in a data set. It is useful in statistics because it can the most popular item in your set, or we can say number observations. A data set can have no mode, one or many. Now let us discuss this. See in the series 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Not a single number is repeating. So there is no mode in this given series. Clear? Now the next is unimodal. Now we can see the number 3 is repeating twice. So here 3 is mode. So this is unimodal when the mode is only 1. Clear? Now the next is 2 mode, that is bimodal. Here the number 1 is repeating as well as the number 4 is also repeating and both are repeating twice. So both are mode. So this is the case of bimodal. Now students, whenever we have more than 2 mode, either we call it as trimodal, that is 3 mode, or it is multimodal, that is more than 1. Clear? Now, estimation of mode from histogram. A histogram shows frequencies of values. In other words, how often a value appears in a data set. In a continuous frequency distribution, the mode can be estimated from the histogram of given frequency distribution. Now let us see the procedure. The following steps must be followed to find the mode graphically. So step number 1 is represent the given data in the form of a histogram. The height of the rectangles in the histogram is marked by the frequencies of the class interval. Identify the highest rectangle. This corresponds to the model class of the series. Clear? Now the next step is join the top corner of the model rectangle with the immediately next corner of the adjacent rectangles. The two lines must be cutting each other. Now the last step is, through the point of intersection of two straight lines drawn, draw a vertical line to meet the x-axis, and which is mode.